welcome back. If you're just joining us, we're here today with Samantha D'Elia. She suffers from Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and ulcerative... Can we redo that one?
Keep going.
Ulcerative colitis. It wasn't many years ago that Sam herself was in a vicious, tragic accident involving two hammerhead sharks and a small can of Fix-It Flat. Here to tell her story today is myself.
Okay, ready, go. Fix-A-Flat.
You were swimming in the sea, Samantha D'Elia. You were swimming when across the way you saw some fins. This is where it gets really emotional for me. As a child, Samantha had always talked about her lifelong dream of horseback riding and how much she wanted to go to Wimbledon and compete with the other horse jockeys. Unfortunately, due to this accident, she'll never be able to do that again. Where were we?
I saw some fins.
We saw some fins in the middle of the sea. She looked right over there. They were sharks, hammerheads to be, and they wanted to get her sore. I'm sorry, once again, it always hits home when so many young teens and even children lose
Independence.
parts of their limbs.
My toes. Damn it.
Hammerhead sharks. But that's not all that Sam lost that day. She was driving home when her car went flat. The left front tire fixed it flat. It was about 6 p.m. Sam was driving home. Her tire went flat. Still chokes me up to this day. There's really nothing more I can do about it. So she gets out, tries to change it. She didn't see it coming. How do you see something like that coming? She held the nozzle in the wrong direction. Fix it flat, yeast infection. Sam got very sick. But I feel that with the support and funding from viewers like you, maybe she can walk again. Maybe she can fight the infection. Maybe her lifelong dream of becoming a horseback rider finally come true. Would you send in some money to help poor Sam? She's been sick. Oh, hot damn. You may think that it's over with now. But it's not. Sam's case, although all too common for United States citizens to encounter. Here we go again. What I wouldn't give just to see her horseback ride one more time. Our phone lines are open. Please call now. Help ulcerative colitis / eczema /
BV. Don't forget about the BV.
It's yeast. Sam's twat hole went septic fast. She got Chuck syndrome and it didn't last. They took her organs and her tubules too. My oh my, Sam's twat was blue.